Good evening everyone. I am Dan Gadjola. We are the Group 1 from Binangonan Campus. We will discuss Chapter 6, Overview for Tour Guide in Thailand. Learning Objective. First, discuss the tour guide in Thailand. Second, cite the guideline in the booking on tour guide. The Professional English Guide Club Thailand is a dedicated organization aimed at enhancing the skill and knowledge of tour guides operating within Thailand. It focuses on providing comprehensive training and resources to help guides deliver exceptional service to English-speaking tourists. Members of the club gain access to a specialized program that cover a wide range of topics including Thailand's rich history, vibrant culture, and key tourist attraction. The club also emphasized the importance of mastering local custom and etiquette, ensuring that guides can foster respectful and meaningful interaction with both tourists and residents.
Here are the most common types of guides. Number 1, all-inclusive, tour guide that you typically book your entire vacation to. Number 2, freelance, tour guides are exactly that. They are not associated with any agency. Number 3, driver guide. It's also called a city guide. This type of guide will drive around and comment on highlights in a given city. Number 4, agency tour guide or staff guide. The agency will typically set all the tourists and the staff will guide of the tour. Number 5, the personal or private guide is somewhat overlooked. This guide is like a freelance guide, but they usually have no credential or TAT, meaning Tourism Authority of Thailand license. Number 6, be your own guide. Why not? You can go online and book just about anything these days. If you book your own flight, you can book your own destination. Getting around Thailand is quite inexpensive. These pages include summaries of some of the rules that may apply to different sorts of activities and contain links to government resources that you may find helpful. Number 1, please understand that these information pages are not comprehensive and are not legal advice. Number 2, when am I likely to be considered to be operating a tourism business in Thailand? Here are some examples of when you may be considered to be operating a tourism business. Number 1, I take guests on a walking tour to point out some key national attraction and points of interest in Bangkok. Number 2, I take guests on a guided foraging hike through a national park.
These examples are unlikely to be considered as operating tourism business because they do not fit the broader definition of a tourism business. Number 1, yoga class for guests in home or private studio. Syempre, holding a yoga class in a home or private studio is typically a personalized and intimate activity. Tsaka nag-focus siya sa small group of individuals. Kaya yung ganitong setup usually hindi nagmo-market ng broad audience as a tourism attraction. Pagdating naman sa location, hindi siya commercial venue na for large-scale public use. Next is cooking class on Thai cuisine in home or licensed restaurant. Conducting a cooking class, whether in a home or licensed restaurant, is more of a cultural and educational experience rather than a tourism business. Yung ganitong business, hindi siya necessarily attracting tourists. Katulad ng sa yoga class, only small number of participants lang siya na interested sa Thai cuisine. Coronavirus travel restrictions in Thailand. Update March 17, 2021. Who can travel to Thailand? From December 7, travelers from 56 countries can now enter Thailand under the visa exemption scheme. All travelers still need to comply with Thailand's 14-day mandatory quarantine and show a proof of a negative PCR test. Next is requirements to enter Thailand. Anyone eligible to enter must obtain a certificate of entry from their local Thai embassy or consulate. Your application should be submitted at least 10 working days prior to the intended date of travel. Travelers who have received the COE must download the Thailand Plus contact tracing app and register. Requirements may differ between groups of eligible travelers. Some measures include a fit to fly certificate issued by the relevant authority and the negative PCR test result issued no more than 72 hours before departure. proof of health insurance that covers COVID-19 medical examination and treatment up to $100,000 minimum. All foreign nationals will undergo 14 days of mandatory state quarantine at a government-designated facility or under the Ministry of Public Health supervision at their own expense. Next, according to the Royal Thai Government's Immigration Bureau, Thai national can visit Thai Immigration Office, request a 60-day extension of stay. Visitors may be required to download the Thai China COVID-19 tracking app on arrival in Thailand. Next is how a custom private tour works. Say hello. Dito na pumapasok yung introduction, pag-provide ng information about sa services na ina-offer nila. Next is planning. Dito naman nagpo-provide yung operator ng customized itinerary based sa initial conversation. It includes activities, destination, and accommodation. Next is finalizing and booking. Syempre, once na-satisfied na yung client, dito na papasok yung formal agreement tulad ng final dates, payments, and confirmation. Next is tour day. Ito na mismo yung araw na gagawin niyo yung mga pinlano niya. And the last one, my promise. Syempre dito kailangan ma-meet mo yung expectation ng client mo by making the tour comfortable, memorable, and enjoyable.
How a custom private tourists are much chapter but are a totally different experience. Bangkok tourists discovering both splendid monument and an older, simpler way of life. The crash course in Thai culture. Bangkok tourists discovering both splendid monument A and B. Bangkok Classic Full Day Tour. Bangkok Major highlight including Grand Palace, Temple of the Wat Photo Show, Graya River, China 2, and Market CND Hot Day Bangkok Tour. Long time boat trip through Bangkok Waterway. Bangkok Major highlight include Grand Palace, Temple of Down. EFH Flexible Bangkok Tour, ensuring ultimate flexibility and speed of adventure with a plan to fit and budget. May I suggest a taxi tour approach Yat Daya Day Tour, the ancient city of Ayodhya, Thailand, former capital, and new a peaceful look back into Thailand. Past the floating market, hot day tour with private transportation throughout, folding umbrella market, make room, train market, then Mon Sandak fooding market, and your own private boat through the market. M. Kanchanaburi tour with private transport and public train bridge over the Red Gateway Bridge, the train on the railway elephant bridge, reading crazy cube conversation tour of station floating market and Ayodhya floating umbrella market, then Nom Sandok floating market, Ayodhya, Wat Mahat, that the Bolha Imes inclusive in the three what peak combination the market and Kanshan Nabori to folding umbrella market to long trade market manum sandok puting market bridge over the river Kiwi war history seat bridge that is on the left railway grade say Q.
Q&R Combination Bangkok and Floating Market Tour. For the Umbrella Market, Damyeon Sondak Floating Market, Grand Palace, Temple of Down. Combination Bangkok and Ayutthaya Day Tour. Visit legendary city sites including Grand Palace, Temple of Down, Ayutthaya, major highlights including Bang Phain, Summer Palace, Wat Mangatat, the Buddha image enclosed in the tree. Weekend tours, available only Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Weekend Klong Latmayom and Bangkok tour, available only on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. This tour features the Klong Latmayom floating market, rural scenery by long-tail boat, local food markets, and K Bangkok landmarks such as the Grand Palace, Wat Phu, and Temple of Dam. Letter G. Weekend Klong Latmayo Market and Chatuchak or GJ Market. This weekend tour includes the Klong Latmayo Floating Market, local food markets, and shopping at the Chatuchak Weekend Market and or Tor Core Market. Next is letter N, Ampawa Floating Market Tour. Experience the folding umbrella market, May Klong Train Market, Wat Bangkok, and Ampawa Floating Market with a private long-tail boat ride along the river to see fireflies. Food tours. The best food in Bangkok is not in the hotel restaurant. Get immersed in real Thai food culture. Letter U. Bangkok food tour and testing experience or half day. A half day tour to explore Bangkok street food culture in areas like Ratchada Train Market, Wanglang Market or Torkor Market and Khao San Road. Letter V. Bangkok temples and evening food tour. This tour combines a long-tail boat trip through Bangkok's waterways with sightseeing at major temples and the Grand Palace, along with an evening food tour of markets like Ratchada Train Market and Wang Lang Market. Weekend Klong Latmayong Market and Gigi Market Tour. This tour. Klong Latmayong is set along a decidedly quiet and narrow canal. Klong Latmayong has a more authentic feel. A handful of vendors do prepare for food on small boats that float in the narrow canal besides the market. Itinerary. With private transport throughout tour, 9 o'clock pick up the hotel in Bangkok, then depart to Klong Latmayun Floating Market. Klong Latmayun Floating Market, 10 o'clock, wandering around the local river market, eating and exploring. Bangkok markets, 1 o'clock, enjoy shopping at the legendary Chatuchak Weekend Market, popular among wholesalers and traders, a must-visit place for tourists. 3 o'clock or Torkor Market is one of the Bangkok's best kept secrets. 5 p.m. drop off at hotel or any place you're required to drop. So, Klong Latmayun River Market, enjoy the scenery of rural life, local food market, shopping at the legendary Chatuchak, weekend market or Torkor Market, one of the Bangkok's best kept secrets. So we have here included all tickets and fees for activities in the itinerary, English-speaking guides license, one private air-conditioned vehicles with professional driver license plus refreshments or cold water and cold towels, plus weight parking fees. Excluded optional extra activities, if any, drinks, meals, tippings, overtime tour guide if hours exceed stated tour. Cost 550 baht per hour per group.